Have you tried and tried and tried, trying to figure out this online game and you just fail and fail over and over? Before my mentor Jonathan was able to quit his job, he failed literally for 10 plus years. He kept trying and starting every type of business known in existence. He even spent over $40,000 over those years and still continued to fail. Honestly, I don't think any of you watching this video have failed more than him. But why the heck did he keep going? Why didn't he just quit? He probably should have. He was just spinning his wheels for 10 years and nothing came of it except embarrassment for himself and his wife, family, and friends. But he knew he wanted more for his life. He knew that one day he was going to get it working, even after failing for years. Something inside of him knew that he couldn't quit now. He never gave up because he wanted this so bad. Some of you just kind of want it. You just dip your toe in and that's it. I'm sorry, but you will never make it with that type of attitude. You have to be willing to go all in, no matter how hard this is. And if not, that's okay. That just means you are comfortable where you are at and with the amount of money you make now. I know that's not me. Luckily for you, it won't take you 10 plus years to figure it out. There is something that Jonathan has built that will change the online space forever. It's a tool that will replicate 10 years plus in the making, all in just minutes. If you want access to the challenge that will show you how to leverage this tool, then click the link to the free training in the description below. Yes, just look below this video and you will find a link to this free training that many people have paid over $1,000 for in the past. So don't waste this incredible opportunity. Click the link to the free training video below now. You will thank me later. Please like, subscribe, and comment. If you're ready to level up your YouTube game, check out my other video right here where I spill all my secrets. In this video, I walk you through, step by step, how to start your own faceless YouTube channel. Trust me, it's packed with good stuff. This is the best video I have ever made so far, and I share the exact steps and techniques that I use for all of my videos and channels. And the best part, it is totally free. So click the link right here and watch the video until the very end. I promise you will thank me later. Best of luck to you on your YouTube journey. This is Simple Money Matters, signing off. Take care and catch you in the next one.